Hi, today I'm going to take you through a student's assessment history and learning progress on the PM Benchmark software. When you have signed into the PM Benchmark software, please select the Students tab. From here, type in the search bar the student whose assessment history and learning progress you want to access. With your mouse, hover over their name and click. This will bring you to the first screen, which is the student's details, and provide information such as date of birth, gender, year level, PM reading level, any groups that student is a part of, reading and recovery, EAL, the last assessment that was completed, the date in which that assessment was completed, and any additional notes that have been added to the student's profile. On the right-hand side of the screen is an edit button. This allows you to change any information of that student's profile that may be necessary. The second tab we can select is Assessment History. This will take you to a graph that shows the date and level of each assessment completed for that student. It provides you with relevant information such as the date. It also provides you with what level that assessment was completed, the accuracy percentage, and the self-correction rate. On the top left-hand side of the screen is a key, which also provides you with information on which PM Benchmark Kit or PM Literacy Assessment Kit was used when that assessment was completed. Please also note that from this screen here, if you select the assessment by clicking it, it will take you to the assessment history of that particular assessment. Please also note that there is an additional video available that takes you through this section. The next thing we can look at is on the top right-hand side of the screen, the text button. This will change it from a graph to a table and provide additional information of every assessment completed. The information provided will be date, the PM Benchmark Kit or Literacy Assessment Kit that was used during that assessment, what level, what book, the PM reading level, the accuracy percentage, comprehension, and retell. We can return to the graph screen by clicking the log button and returns you to that main screen. The final tab we can select is Learning Progress. This will provide us with 3 different graphs that show the student's learning progress over each assessment by level, self-correction rate, and accuracy rate. The 3 tabs highlight these. Provides you with the date down below and each assessment accordingly. The accuracy percentage, and self-correction ratio. Please also note that from this screen here, by selecting the particular assessment, will take you to the assessment history of that assessment being completed. To return to the main screen, please select the 3 horizontal lines or the hamburger icon on the left-hand side. From here, click Assessments, and this will return you to the main screen of the PM Benchmark software. And that's accessing the assessment history and learning progress of a student in the PM Benchmark software. Thank you.